What is most important is that we have agreed on a partnership going forward. So I want to assure you that we have briefed the President. He's now fully aware, and I am sure he will engage you on the issues to do with the support programs, the support infrastructure, the value chain, the market access, the security issues, and the larger conversation on sustainability on our lake. Governor was very right. We must be able to fish today, we must be able to fish tomorrow, and the day after, and the future. And Your Excellency, we also had an engagement on the mobility and the connectivity of the lake region. Our people should be able to move freely and trade freely from one point to another. And that is why, Your Excellency, I'm very happy that today you're coming as part of your program to launch the first ever pier built here. That is a game changer for our lake region. So, Your Excellency, the theme, our water, our wealth, is more strategic, rightfully placed, and the conversation we need to have as a country. Are we together? Ber kusokuber. Vizuri sio vizuri. So without much ado, allow me to ask all of us to be upstanding and welcome His Excellency, the President, Dr. William Ruto, to make some remarks. Karibu, Mheshimiwa Rais.